Good morning, students. Welcome to history class and welcome back again in chapter number 2, that is Iron Age. And in this video, we will read about features of the Iron Age. This age means the Iron Age also witnessed the growth of small villages and town settlements on the Gangetic plains, and the supply of iron was much greater than the bronze. Tools and weapons were mass produced. Iron was also used to make plows, armors, and coins. And this revolutionized the farming also. With the more successful farms, the population increased and the communities also grew. The period of the Iron Age saw significant development in the style of potteries. The painted grey ware potteries and the northern black polished ware are also the two type of pottery. They are the styles of pottery. They were primarily associated with the Iron Age. Now about Mahajanpadas. By 600 BCE, the Indo-Gangetic plains, they were occupied by fast-growing people, and they started leading a settled life as a cultivators, and their settlements became the permanent, and they were permanent settlers. And each of these settlements consisted of single jana or a tribe. These tribes consisted of many families called Janpadas, and larger kingdoms that emerged after defeating the smaller states or Janpadas, they came to be known as Mahajanpadas. Now let's take a look into the map given below, and you could have heard the names of these few Mahajanpadas also. Let's see some of the Mahajanpadas, like Kuru. Here you can see Matsya, Vatsa, Panchala, like these. These all are the Mahajanpadas. Now you can see and learn the names of these Mahajanpadas from your map. Now the chapter ends. Now let's do some exercise of the chapter. As you have learned the chapter very well, children, now it's time to do an exercise also. Exercise 1, that is a tick the correct answer, and the first one is, from which region did the Aryans come? And the answer is Central Asian region. Second one, in which period was Rig Veda composed? And your answer is early Vedic age. Then come to the third one. In which period the other three Vedas like Samveda, Yajurveda and Atharvedas were composed? And your answer is later Vedic age. Which period is also known as the epic period? And the answer is later Vedic age. When did the Iron Age begin? And your answer is 1200 BCE. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Let's read the first one. Early men began settling down in small villages near the, and the answer is river banks. Second one is, historians believed that Aryans came from the, and the answer is Central Asian region. Third one, the Aryans settled in the region of 7 rivers of the, and your answer is Sapt Sindhu. Next one. The later Vedic age is also known as, and the answer is epic age. Now come to third exercise. This is the last exercise, true and false. The river helped in transporting goods and people to different places, and it is true. Janpadas and Mahajanpadas developed in the Bronze Age. This is false because it was developed in the Iron Age. Third one, the later Vedic age is also known as the Epic age. This is the true one. The Vedic age is divided into three broad categories. This is false because it was divided into two categories. Then last one is Rig Veda was composed in later Vedic age, and this is also false one because it was composed in early Vedic age. So that's all in this chapter, children. Thank you.